Revenge isn't always screaming. It isn't blood. It isn't blind rage.
Ecox AMVs.
The cruelest form of revenge is revenge against your old self, against the version of you that accepted disrespect, that believed their words, that lived asking for permission to become something. Maki Zenin didn't just take revenge on her clan. She took revenge on the version of herself that once believed she was less. And Itachi Uchiha was never a villain. He was someone who chose to carry hatred instead of passing it on. And here's the difference no one understands. The weak seek revenge to satisfy anger. The strong seek revenge to end an entire cycle. Let me ask you something. Do you hate the person you used to be? The one who was afraid? Who stayed silent? Who chose safety over truth? If your answer is yes, good. Because this kind of hatred isn't poison, it's fuel. Real revenge is becoming someone your past self couldn't survive. Waking up every day and doing the opposite of what your weak version would have done. They ran, you confront. They made excuses, you work. They waited, you start. Maki didn't beg for recognition. She built power that forced the world to recognize her. And Itachi didn't explain himself. He let the results speak instead. That's mature revenge, to stay silent and transform, to burn your old identity without noise, without announcements, without self-pity. People think revenge means destroying someone else. But the truth, the easiest person to destroy is who you used to be. Break them with discipline, kill them with routine, bury them with results. Every time you feel tired, remember this. I'm not doing this to prove them wrong. I'm doing this to bury a version of me that will never return. The version that needed support, the version that waited for motivation, the version that kept saying, tomorrow. Itachi taught us that the most violent decisions can be silent. And Maki taught us that real power begins the moment you stop asking for permission. So if you want revenge, don't raise your voice. Don't threaten, don't explain. Transform. Live in a way that hurts your past. Become strong in a way that terrifies your former weakness. And one day, you'll look back without anger, only gratitude. Because the version you once hated was only the beginning, and the revenge completed.